We can express gratitude to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, especially first thing in the morning. The Prophet ﷺ would say on waking up that alhamdulillahi alladhi afani fi jasadi wa radda alayya ruhi wa adhina li bidhikri. That all praise is due to Allah who healed me in my body. Or afani fi jasadi also means that Allah protected my body. And He kept it safe and sound so that I was able to wake up and returned to me my soul and permitted me to remember Him. What a huge blessing. We begin salah with alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. In ruku' also, we say subhanakallahumma rabbana wa bihamdik Allahumma ghfirli. After salah, we say alhamdulillah 33 times. In the morning, in the evening, also, we show gratitude to Allah. Subhanallahi wa bihamdi.